This is my Warhammer 40k Agripinaa pattern autogun model. Unlike my previous models so far, this one actually does make an attempt to be lore accurate. In lore, the weapon is described as being roughly around 109, 110 centimeters long, which is roughly how long this is, firing 8.25 millimeter cartridges, which is what I modeled here for the magazine. And in lore, there is some description of a triple stack magazine. Unfortunately, I don't know what that would look like, so I kind of ignored that. And in lore, it is also described as having a folding stock, so this one actually does fold and locks in place. And there's a little cutout in the stock so the bolt mechanism can still be operated. The trigger also moves, so allows the addition of a tiny micro switch in here to operate lights or speakers for cosplaying. And as you saw, the magazine is removable. And on the left side, the bolt can be pulled back and pulled up to lock it in place, and then pushed down to allow it to snap forward like that.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.